Hi, this is Alamin Sharfuddin, the digital marketer.
And I'm John Mascarin as a brand specialist.
And together we represent fatgift.com. An idea when I first got, I decided to call John to get his feedback, and this is what he had to say.
After hearing the idea, what struck me was the experience that I had gone through, a couple of months back during Amin's wedding. About 20 of our friends, we got together online and we started exchanging emails about, all of us pooling together and buy this one big fat surprise on his wedding. After about 40 odd emails exchanged, it fizzled out, and I ended up going to his wedding, with the gift that I picked up at the shop corner.
Yeah, and there was instant gratification of what I had to say as an idea. I picked this idea up when I met one of the e-commerce clients in India. I handle the top 10 e-commerce clients in India as part of product marketing. His Facebook fan page had about 4 lakh likes. And 4 lakh likes matlab 4 lakh gifts because of 4 lakh birthdays. And I asked him, as a simple question, have you ever tapped this channel to drive transactions? And he said no. So I said, can we bring together one online platform where people can get together in multiple groups, decide what to buy as a gift, where to buy it, because there are multiple options as you can buy anything online today,
Right.
and how much should each person contribute, and if each person ends up paying for it, the transaction will be made. And this is not just for birthdays. It can happen for any particular event, any particular situation.
Any occasion, your Mother's Day, Valentine's Day, for example, anniversaries come in very handy.
Yeah, absolutely. So the idea is there a way where we can bring the shopping experience expanding from just an individual to a group of people and split it and make transactions happen?
And make the whole planning process a lot easier with constant follow-ups, suggestions, tips, tools.
True. And since I've seen how e-commerce players work, how they handle transactions, how it is necessary for them to scale up, it is a great platform for them to immediately plug in when presented to them with it.
Absolutely.
And of course, on this side, you have the supplies, of course, the people, because every day they have some or the other reason to celebrate, and we are trying to see, can we expand the gifts galore. So this is in summary, the basic bit behind fatgift.com. And me being a digital marketer, me being in the e-commerce, I'm super kicked about bringing this to scale.
And I'm really excited about bringing the brand to life, connecting with people, making the information reach each and every 4 lakh likes, like Amin had mentioned.
And John, of course, is one of the well-known, renowned creative designers across the world. He's taken a lot of startups brands online. He's given them shape, he's given them life, and he's made them something concrete than just an idea. So that's why I'm really kicked to work with John on this particular idea, and we believe that if we get a chance to work as part of this accelerator program.
Right. Amin's really wicked with the digital marketing stuff. He can do stuff which
is being kind. So
in a month, I've seen him build up to like 50,000 to 60,000 likes with one of our friends' brands. So I don't think he likes to taunt on his own boat.
No, that's fine. So I'm super excited to be as part of the journey, and if we get an opportunity to work as part of this accelerator program, we believe we can get there much sooner than we working on our own. We are super kicked about what this program entails.
I think we fill each other's,
I would say each other's holes.
Not goals. Alright, you get the point.
Sure. So the idea is, of course, have a look at our presentation that we've shared as an initial draft and as an idea, and do have a look at how this whole thing can pan out on a global scale, connecting retailers across the world, connecting people's emotions, which are the same across the world when it comes to celebrations and gifting. And that's what we want to tap, and we're sure we'll make it big. Thanks for your time. And this is Amin again, and this is John signing out. Cheers.